We start with 1 hour chart. First of all, if we refer to our analysis when the price was within this move exactly here, we mentioned about how we can look for trade. Anyway, after that, we get this down move and we see the flat. The possibility of the price was like we could look for sell. Anyway, we didn't have any update. And even based on 1 hour chart, there was no trade setup unless anyone trade based on lower time frame. We want to see what's the next. In this case, first we start with daily chart, and the only thing is, as what we expected, we mentioned that we can expect the price to consolidate here for a longer time before we get the reversal, but we cannot confirm for any direction. And if we move to forward chart, again, if we refer to our analysis, I was keep highlighting about this flat. Now the question is whether this is the start of the down move or the peak correction. We mentioned the possibility of the price to retest the previous low is very less. We can expect the price to give us a deep correction. Okay, then how we can look for trade? But anyway, based on forward chart, we don't have any, even we didn't have any information that the price can retest the previous low. That means we cannot confirm with this flat. Okay, but since we get the sharp move, if the price start to correct here, mostly we can expect the price to retest the low. That's why if we want to look for trade, we need to be really careful. But based on forward chart, we don't have any trade setup either for buy or sell. Then how we can look for trade if we move to 1 hour chart. Even based on 1 hour chart, we don't have any trade setup, and indicators doesn't give us any information. The only thing is, the best thing is we wait to see what we get here. Either the correction for continuation, similar any of this, because if we get the correction for drop, the price can break the previous low of this correction, which we don't want it, or we get the reversal. Okay, then for me, I won't take any trade. I wait for I wait for here to get the correction, to get the confirmation for the next trade. Because if we refer to higher time frame, we have the different possibility. Whether we mostly if we get to look for buy, this is what we prefer for long term. But still we cannot confirm with the forward chart with this flat, because most of the charts they have a similar movement. Then we should wait and get the correction before we confirm for the next trade. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update or trade setup, I will share. Thanks.